If you've been following us here at Diode Dynamics for a while, you'll know that the Ford Mustang has always been a vehicle in which we look to design unique lighting upgrades, and today is no different. I'm CJ, and today we're excited to introduce the latest addition to our S650 lineup, our all-new Multicolor Dome Light. This PCB is a direct plug-and-play replacement for the factory dome and map light circuit board, requiring no modifications. It gives you the ability to easily customize the interior of your 2024 and up Mustang with a whopping 29 colors to choose from, all while retaining factory functionality. Best of all, there's no app or additional controllers required, and installation takes only about 15 minutes. Simply toggle to the color of your choice, and the included memory feature will automatically save your selection even after you turn the car off. Your selected color will now act as your courtesy lights anytime you open the door to get in. Bold red for the next car meet? Or maybe a chill blue for the evening cruise? Your Mustang, your call. With so many colors included, there's something for everyone. Prefer an OEM style look instead? Choose from 4 tailored white temperatures: warm white, natural white, pure white, and cool white, to perfectly match your lighting to a factory-inspired finish. And when you need bright, functional lighting, the map light functionality is ready to go. It defaults to a crisp, cool white output, giving you reliable visibility whenever you need it. Built with automotive-grade components, the Multicolor Dome Light kit is engineered for high reliability, ensuring it performs for years to come. Plus, the Dome Light button backlighting retains the signature Ford blue color, seamlessly blending into your Mustang's interior. For added convenience, 2 trim removal tools are included to make installation quick and hassle-free. And with a 3-year warranty, you can install with confidence knowing we've got you covered. So how does selecting a color work? You'll start by toggling the dome lights on and off 3 times to enter programming mode. Then use the driver's side light to cycle forward through the color options and the passenger side light to cycle backward. Once you've found your favorite color, simply leave the lights on and they will automatically turn off to save your selection. That's it, your settings are saved and ready to go. Whether you want to make your Mustang's interior as bold as its exterior or just add a subtle touch of customization, the Multicolor Dome Light is the perfect upgrade. Now that you know what this thing can do, let's dive into the install. Using either trim tool included, pry down on the 4 points shown to release the dome light. Don't pull the assembly away as there are still connections in place. With the dome light loose, reach in and disconnect the microphone connector by depressing the locking tab and separating. Do the same for the dome light connector and remove the assembly. On a padded surface, remove the 8 T10 Torx screws shown here. Next, remove the plastic cover and PCB by lifting straight up off the alignment pins. You'll notice a rubber shield on the OE PCB. Transfer this to the new Diode Dynamics PCB and place it in the dome light assembly. With the new PCB in place, replace the plastic cover we removed earlier, making sure the dome light toggle switch pin is set in place before resecuring. Reconnect the factory dome light and microphone connections and snap the assembly back in place. We can now select our dome light color. With the doors closed, toggle either dome light on and off 3 times to enter programming mode and use each light to cycle forward and back between colors. Once you find the color you like,
leave the lights on and they will turn off to save your selection. The color you chose will be shown anytime the courtesy lights are activated, and the factory map light function is retained.
Now that you've seen how easy it is to install our multicolor dome light, it's time to make it your own. This simple upgrade brings bold customization and functional lighting to your Mustang's interior, letting you truly make it yours. But why stop there? If you're looking at even more style and functionality, our add-on fog light kit brings back the much-needed SAE-compliant fog lights that the S650 doesn't include from the factory. Pair it with our RGBW underglow or footwell kits to take your Mustang's customization to the next level. Plus, our website offers even more great upgrades from our friends over at Form Lighting, including LED side markers, rear reflectors, and a reverse lamp with an integrated fourth brake light. Together, these upgrades will make your S650 truly stand out. So if you're ready to add our multicolored dome light kit to your ride or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.